All right, so the first thing we'll check out the keyword research tool. Okay, so the keyword research is going to open. You will enter your base keyword, and once you enter your base keyword, okay, let's say make money online, and then I'll select the country geo-targeting that I want to do research for. Select the source, either Google or YouTube, and then I'll hit search. So it will pull out up like 20 keywords that I can use immediately. Okay, so these are long tail keywords that you can use. And let's say you want to export or copy to clipboard, you can do all that right here. So if I want to do a longer tail keyword research, I will just click on that, select the source, hit search, and then it will pull out all the results for me. So you know exactly what people are actually searching for before you start creating all your content. And then you can export them as CSV. So once you export them, you see the file, and then you'll see all of the keywords that people are searching for. Okay. All right, the next thing will be the headline creator tool. Then once you click on the create headline and enter your primary headline idea, okay, let's say for consistency, I will use the make money online headline. So I'll just hit on analyze. Okay, so it's going to analyze the headline that I've just done and then show me exactly how it looks on Google. Okay, so I can see exactly how my headline will look on Google and email. And then once after that, it will show me a score. As you can see, the score is 42, and then show me all the tips I need for creating a very good headline for my videos. Okay, so you can see the common, uncommon, then it will tell you, give you detailed analysis of how all of this works and help you get a better headline. Okay, all the tips and all of that helps you create better headline, even the sentiment, the brand words, the complex words. And then let's say you want to check out the common words, you can download the common words. We have a dictionary of common words that you can use, then check them out, add them, and then tweak a little bit to see how any of them can work for you and give you a higher score. Okay, so let's say I want to check out some uncommon words to add to my headline. Okay, so I'll pick awesome from here right now. So once I pick awesome, I'll enter back to the headline tool, and then I'll type awesome ways to make money online. Okay, so it's going to increase my score right now because there are common, uncommon words added. So from 40 or 42, it's now 50, and then you can see all of the stats right there as well. Okay, so yeah, that's basically all the tips and detailed analysis of your headline. Okay, so the next thing we want to look at is the find trending content, or the viral video finder. Okay, so once I click on find, I will enter a base keyword or a topic that I would like to use. So yeah, I'll still use the make money online, and then it's going to find me all the trending content on the internet right now. Okay, so you can see all the stats: Facebook engagement, Pinterest engagement, YouTube engagement, and all of the YouTube stats and the total score or stat of that. So let's say this has you can see the FB engagement, it's a whole lot. Okay, 7.28 million engagement. Okay, so the video is a viral content that you can easily swipe. All right, so you can look for more results. Okay, or if you want to analyze again, and then let's say I wanted to find more results. Okay, so I'll just scroll down, hit on more results, and then you can see it's going to analyze again and then find me up to like 20 more results of viral content that I can, study and see what those guys are doing that I am not doing. All right, let's go to the ranker tool. So there are two suites here. So root two tools here. Once I hit rank, I will enter my base keyword here. So make money online, I will search, and then I can pick my competitor. Of course, will be the person ranking #1, right? So I'll select that, and then let's say I want to pick the third video right there as my own video. So I'm just going to put it right there, assuming I am the #3, right? Select the country I want to target or rank for, then I hit compare. So once I hit compare, what happens is it's going to compare my videos side by side. So my competitor video is number one, my own video is number three. Okay, so I can see all of the details, the video title, and then the tips to tell me, oh, shorter titles actually work better, you know, and stuff like that. So I know exactly side by side what my competitor is doing that I am not doing. You can see the video description, you can see, oh, you know, all of the details that they have done to rank higher than I am. As you can see, the keyword in title is 3 minus 1, you know, all of that. And then yes, I can download my results as well. So let's say you want to do this for a client. You just download, export the result, it will download in Excel format, and then you can send that to the client. All right, so let's say I have everything and I want to compare again. I want to set rank monitor. This is where you do that. So you hit the set rank monitor tool, and then you can see the keyword you want to set the monitor for, and then you see it's the US, the location is the US, and then you hit on set. So once you hit on set, you go back to the ranker tab, the drop down, and then click on the rank monitor. Once you click on the rank monitor, you can see exactly the video that you have just set. Look at that there. Okay, the keyword, the time, and then the make money, the US, sorry, the location is US, is ranking number 3, and previous one number 3. Okay, so that's how it shows you how it is, and then you will see it on the notification bar as well. So let's say I want to do a check on the rank, okay, of the video. I'll paste the video URL. And then make money the keyword, and then I'll select the country I want to rank for, and then I'll find rank. Okay, sorry, I'll find the rank of the video. It will search for the video and show me the rank in that particular country. Okay, so yeah, that's it about the rank tool for the U ranker. Okay, so let's go on schedule, use scheduler. So once I click on the schedule tool, it's going to open up a place where I can actually enter my details. Okay, so I can pull videos from YouTube, connect my ask for permission for Twitter and Pinterest. So I'll select Facebook now. Okay, when I select Facebook, I'll select the page that I want to post on. Then I enter the video URL and then enter an optional message. Once I enter an optional message, I'm just going to either schedule, set the time, choose the date that I want to schedule the video, or I will send the video right immediately. So if you just select a date, it won't work. Okay, so you have to select a date and then select the time, and then the exact time that you want it to be sent. All right, and then you can see it right there. So you select the time zone. That's very important as well before that works. So you hit on schedule. So once you hit on schedule, it's going to say if the video will be published successfully. All right, so let's say I want to just send it now, so you see how it works. So I will select the page, enter the video URL again, and then optional message. Okay, I'm just going to enter the same optional message, and once I am done, I will click on send now. Okay, let me go to Facebook now and see the page, so you see exactly what happened. Okay, so but right now the post should have been sent to Facebook, as you can see on the page just now, and then by YouStudio. All right, so yeah, you can see the post was published. So you can do this for unlimited pages as long as you have all of those pages added to YouStudio. Okay, so let's say I want to do Twitter. Okay, so I'll select Twitter, enter the video URL, and then let me log into Twitter right now, so that once it's published or tweeted, I can be notified or know and to show you as well. So I enter the same keyword, sorry, optional message rather. Okay, I won't bother about scheduling. Let me just send now. Okay, I'll refresh my page. As you can see, there is nothing there right now. Okay, so let's go back to YouStudio. Then I'm going to select Twitter here, and then the headline, just send now. So once I send now, okay, as you can see, the video link was tweeted successfully. Let me refresh my page now, and then you will see the page, the video tweeted to my Twitter account, so which worked really good, right? So yeah, that's it for that. And then let's go to the graphics tool. Okay, I'm gonna open that in a new tab. Now once I open the U graphics tool in the new tab, it's gonna load up a bit, depending on your connection. I have rather poor connection here. Alright, so once it loads up, you will see the interface like this. You can select an image or search for from hundreds of images right here. So you can select this image, and then I'll open the image right here, and then let's say I want to add a text. So select a text, pick up a font, and then edit the text to what I want. I can drag the text control panel and do a whole lot of everything here is simply you can drag and edit them to your taste. Okay, so let's say, isn't this beautiful, right? I can increase the font, okay, reduce the opacity, increase the font to make it bold and big, okay, italize it, underline, you know, do a whole lot of stuff. And then let's say I want to move the text down, so I can just do that. I'll drag it down to the footer of the image, and then let's say I want to add some filter, you know, I make it black and white. You know, there are so many filters that you can play around with. And let's say I want to add another text, or make this the opacity more visible, or change the color and all of that. You know, there's so much you can do very quickly and easily using this graphics tool. So I want to add another text. What do I do? I'll click on the text, select the font, add the text here, and let's say I want to call it first YouTube banner. Okay, then I'll drag it to the middle of the top of the banner, and let's say I'm okay with this and I just want to export or save. So I'll click on you know, there are so many other things you can add before you do that. So let's say I'm done with this, I'm good. So what I want to do is click on save, and there are so many options for you. Save as JPEG, save as PNG, save into your video creator library. Once I click on that, it's going to take me to my video creation library. It's also called the image library, where all the graphics, all the images I have saved from the graphics suite will be stored. And then I can create my videos directly using all of these videos. Okay, so let's say I want to create a video. I'll go under the video creator, then I will open. Once the video creator opens, I can see all of that. You see the video frames you can create, add new frame. Okay, let me delete the new one I've just added. Okay, let's say I'm good with, I just want to start from scratch. You can record your voice, you can add audio, you can select from the audio library. Let's say I want to pick the midnight sound, so I will select that. And then I will go down a bit. Like I said, you can record your voice. Okay, you can add your own audio from your computer, and then you can scroll down, add an image. So I can see all of the images, so you can upload from your computer as well. So I'll add image from here, and then I will navigate to see how many seconds. I'll choose the seconds I want that to last for on the display before it changes to the next frame. So I'll select another frame, add the same thing, go through the same process, add another music, or using the same music, add another image from the library or from my computer, and then select the duration as well. So once that is done, and then I will go add another frame to make it 3, and then go through the same process all over again, and then of course add an image. Now once I add an image, I think I'm good with this screen. I can navigate in between the different frames, and you know, I have 3 frames. Go back to the previous frame, or the first frame, you know, something like that. And then I think I'm good with what I have here. I'll just hit start creating. Okay, so once I hit start creating, see that my video is processing. Alright, so it's going to take me to the list of all the videos that I have created. This is a test account, so you can see all the videos that are there already. Okay, so you can see the video will be published in just within 5 minutes. It should be ready and you can download it. So let's say I just want to play directly from here, right? So I will just click on the play button, and then the video will start playing. I can see exactly all that what I have created. Okay, let me increase it. So you see, okay, yeah, this is super cool, right? So very easy to create. All of it, all the graphics and everything was done right inside of the U graphics, and all linked together with the video creator. This is just for very simple, easy video presentations. And yeah, right now, just go back, you know, play around with all the tools and and then you can see what you come up with.